Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss about multiplexer as a universal logic. What is the universal logic? Universal logic in the sense we can derive we can get any kind of logic by using the universal logic. How we can get the several logic and not or by using the multiplexer we see now. Before going into the video, please subscribe our channel. If you like the videos, please like, share and comment. Okay. So multiplexer as a universal logic. First we see the NOT gate. What is the NOT gate? If we give as a we get the output as a bar. So how can we design it by using the multiplexer? Let us take the selection line A for all. Let us take the selection line A for all the multiplexers. You can take in AND gate you can also take B, but I am taking all selection line as A. So first we will see here to get A bar. If the selection line is A, then here it will be A bar and here is A, right? So take 1 here and 0 here, then you will get Y is equals to 1 dot A bar plus 0 dot A, that is nothing but A bar, right? So we will get NOT gate by using this multiplexer. Like this we will get NOT gate. So next, going for the AND gate. AND gate is nothing but if inputs are A and B, then the output is A dot B. So I am taking the A as a select line. This is A bar and this is A. To get A dot B, take this input as 0 and this input as B. If you take this, Y is nothing but 0 dot A bar plus B dot A. It is nothing but A dot B, right? So we will get the AND gate. In this way we get the AND gate by using the multiplexer. And to get the OR gate by using the multiplexer, here I am taking the selection line A and this is A bar and this is A. OR gate is nothing but A, B or inputs, output is A plus B. So here we get it as like, if I take 1 here and if I take B here, then what you will get? Y is nothing but B dot A bar plus 1 dot A. By using the distributive law, A plus A bar dot A plus B, right? A plus A bar dot B, nothing but A plus A bar plus in dot A plus B. So we will get A plus B. In this way we will get the OR gate by using this multiplexer. And going for the AND gate, NAND gate. NAND gate is nothing but if inputs are A and B, we get the output as A dot B whole bar. So to get that, here we need the selection line is A. Here we get A, this is A bar and this is A. This is A bar and this is A. So to get A dot B whole bar, first we will give input as 1 here. Here we want the input as B bar. To get B bar is nothing but NOT gate. So use this multiplexer. Here it is A. Use this multiplexer. Here it is B. To get B bar we use B. So this is B bar and this is B 1 0. So we will get B bar. If you write the output here, 1 dot A bar plus B bar dot A. If you see here, according to distributive law, this is nothing but A bar plus A dot A bar plus B bar. So according to De Morgan's, this is 1, right? According to De Morgan's law, Y is nothing but A bar plus B bar is nothing but A dot B whole bar. So in this way we get the NAND gate by using the 2 multiplexers. Remember, here we use the 2 multiplexers to get B bar. Here we use, this is the input, B is the input. To get the NOT of that, we use NOT gate, NOT multiplexer. So here we use the 2 multiplexer. In these 3 we use the 1 multiplexer. For getting NOR gate is nothing but if inputs are A and B, we get the output as A plus B whole bar. So here we use, to get A plus B whole bar, take this as 0 and take this as B bar. This is in all the cases we take the selection line as A. This is A bar and this is A. You will get A B bar dot Y is nothing but B bar dot A bar. This is nothing but according to De Morgan's law, A plus B whole bar. So here to get B bar we use the NOT multiplexer. So NOT multiplexer is nothing but to get B bar we use here B. This is output is B bar and this is B bar. This is 1 and 0. In this way we get the NOR gate by using two multiplexers, and for getting the XOR gate by using the multiplexer, first the inputs are AB and the output is A bar B plus AB bar, XOR gate. So to get A bar B plus AB bar, first we will select selection line is A. Here this is A bar and this is A. Here if we write B bar here, and if I write B here and if I write B bar here, we will get Y is nothing but A bar B plus B bar A, right? This is the output of XOR gate, right? So to get B bar we use NOT gate here. To get B bar is the output, selection line is B, here it will be B bar and here it is B. Here if I write 1 and 0, we will get the B bar. So in this way this B bar is used, and to get the XOR gate, another multiplexer is used here, and we got this XOR output. So to construct XNOR gate by using the multiplexer, first what is the XNOR gate? If inputs are A and B, then output will be A bar B bar plus AB. So to get A bar B bar plus AB, selection line is A here, selection line is A, here it is A bar and here it is A, right? So to get A bar B bar plus AB, we get A bar B bar, here it is B. To get B bar we use the NOT gate. NOT gate is nothing but to get B bar we use NOT gate. B here, this is B bar and this is B, this is 1 0, we get 1 dot B bar we will get, this is 0. So in this way we get the XNOR gate. So in this way the multiplexer is used as a universal logic. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the videos, please like, share and comment.